Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky script. Today I am going to continue with our Python package installation playlist. Now I am going to install latest version of Beautiful Soup. So I need to go to this Python download page and I need to download latest version of Python. You can always refer to this video to know how to install Python. Once you have Python installed, you can just simply go to your command prompt. And here if you just simply type python space dash dash version and hit enter, so that's going to show you your Python version. If you are getting this type of prompt, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Python on your system. Next thing that you need to do is to check your pip version. So just simply type pip index version pip, hit enter. So that's going to show you list of all the available version of pip, but the most important part is to check the installed version and the latest version of pip. So the installed version is also 25.2 and latest version is also 25.2. So I have latest version of pip. So if you don't have latest version of pip, you need to run this command of python.exe -m pip install --upgrade pip. Hit enter. So in my case, requirement is already satisfied because I already have latest version of pip. In your case, it might require to download and upgrade your pip. So once you have latest version of Python and latest version of pip, now it's time to install any Python package. So let's first clear our screen. Now to install Beautiful Soup, just simply type python -m pip install Beautiful Soup 4. Hit enter. So that's going to immediately start fetching Beautiful Soup from internet and going to install it locally on your system. So you can see that our Beautiful Soup is rightly installed. So let's go to Python idle shell and verify our Beautiful Soup. So just type idle and open Python idle and just simply type import bs4, hit enter. Next let's import importlib.metadata, hit enter. And now just simply type print importlib.metadata.version, and then within bracket and double quotes just simply type Beautiful Soup 4, end bracket, hit enter. So that's going to show you your Beautiful Soup version. So if you are getting this type of prompt, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Beautiful Soup. Do check out our cool Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free, and the best part is detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check out all these videos. I am sure you are going to love them. So that is basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.